to my channel, and today I'm going to tell you 5 magic words or polite words. These words bring happiness in our life and in others' life. And let's start. The first word is please. We use please when we want something or we are requesting for something like this. Like this, you can use please. Don't tell her, Mama, please, can you give me a glass of water? Now the next word is sorry. We use sorry when we have done a mistake or we have hurt someone, and the sentences are sorry, Mama, I've broken your pots. And my next sentence is sorry, sister, I have hurt you. This was not my intention. Like this, you can use this word. The third word is excuse me. We use excuse me when two people are talking or someone is busy in something. Like the sentences are, excuse me, sir, may I go out? Excuse me, ma'am, may I sit there? Like this, you can use this word. Now the fourth word is welcome. We supposed to use welcome. If anybody says thank you to us, it's our duty to say welcome in return. It is a good gesture from our side. Now the last word is thank you. We supposed to use thank you if anybody makes you happy or if anybody gives you something. Then you can say thank you. Let's revise all these 5 magic words. Please, sorry, excuse me, welcome, and thank you.